We had some problems at some polling locations, but for the most part, we're told that things have been moving along pretty smoothly.
Yeah, Jenna Hanchard has been following elections for us all morning long, visited a couple of different polling places. So, Jenna, what are you seeing now?
Well, the lines have died down now. They were quite long earlier. As you can see behind me, there are a few people that are still coming in, but it's not as long as we saw earlier. And this is one of the polling places that people had cited that they'd had some problems. We saw long lines at polling places this morning as people came out early before they went to work. People told me that they waited in line for hours. The Kansas City Board of Elections says that there have been minor issues at several polling places, including issues with machines that are counting ballots.
The paper ballot wouldn't go into the machine. The machine kept rejecting it. And it wasn't just for me, it was, probably 2 or 3 dozen people after me, and they couldn't make it work. And then it would take the ballot in, hold it for a minute, bring it back. So, the question is, did it count at once? Did it count at all? Did it count 5 times?
Well, I spoke with some of the volunteers inside, and they said that those issues have since been resolved. But for complete election coverage, you can watch it streaming live online at kshb.com/elections. We'll have more coming up here in the next half hour. Reporting live here in Kansas City, Jenna Hanchard, 41 Action News.
Well, polls have certainly shown that this is an incredibly close presidential election. So really, today, every vote counts. If you feel like you have become a victim of voter fraud, there are some numbers that you can call. They're listed on your screen right now. In Kansas, call that number, 800-262-8683. You can also visit the Secretary of State's website. In Missouri, you can call 800-NOW-VOTE, or you can go to Missouri.com. Also, the FBI number is 816-426-3122. Again, this is for if you feel like you're a victim of voter fraud. This information is also available on our website, kshb.com.
Both